Anyway, what were we playing? Ratchet and Clank. All right, 4-player. Here we go.
What is this?
It's excitement. Okay, wait. Someone has to be.
I'll be Clank.
You'll be Clank. Which one are you?
I'm Clank.
All right, fine. I'll be the big guy. I'm Quark.
You wanted to be the big guy.
Because I didn't.
What did the guy from Deep Space Nine get?
I've got a suit.
Interesting.
Oh, we got a trophy. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching our video. That's how you get couch potato. Girl, I've got a suit still. Guys, left stick. It's move.
Compete
Oh, we have to compete for bolts. Did you say balls?
I think so.
I have 0 bolts. Guys, show your boat total. Oh, I got all the bolts now. You guys can fuck right off. What do I do? Do you jump? Oh.
No.
Oh, there goes Brian. So far, we haven't actually hit anything except boxes.
No, we've been in those little robots.
Oh, there's robots? Oh, look, there's little robots.
How
How did you not see any of the robots?
Ah,
There's been like
it's-
a fucking 100.
Because I take up 90% of the screen when I look at my guy. He's like 4 times the size of all of yours.
Watch out for that thing.
We can't move, Dan. Oh, it ate all of the lightning bolts.
I'll show you like.
Okay, is that euphemism? Oh, I used my super pound the ground attack. I'm like Donkey Kong, except without the interesting backstory. I don't know. It's possible.
Yeah, all his videos got sold.
That is an unfortunate story. Why is there a Donkey Kong and then a Donkey Kong Country? Why does he get his own country? Boom 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 boom. And that's why Donkey Kong has his own country. Okay, wait. Go to the right. No, that's bad! No, that's the right! Oh god. Oh, we're dying.
Listen to me, I'm smart. Keep going left, 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 left. You fuckhead.
Oh, who did that one?
Oh my Christ.
I didn't do that one.
No one listens to Dan.
You didn't say anything after the other one. You were just admonishing us.
Admonishing you is exactly what I have to do. It's telling you what to do. You know what admonish means? It's fucking giving advice.
No, it
Hey.
means bad.
No, it's not. No.
It means you yelled
Stay
at
here.
us.
God. Okay.
Where do we go now?
Left heart.
No, Dan!
That
It's
was
a
the only
cop
way to go
car.
right. Right. Now left heart.
Dan,
Right,
maybe you should
right,
follow
right,
your own
right.
advice.
Now left.
Oh, look how good we are at this. It's all because of Vince's leadership.
Little ditty, little ditty, little ditty.
Guys, I don't know if you know this, but we just became best friends.
Whalers on the moon, we carry a harpoon. But there ain't no whale, so we tell tall tales and sing a whaling tune.
Ho, ho, ho.
Finn's not shooting at us.
Don't worry, I'll just pick it up now. I don't know if you're aware of this, but we are whalers on the moon. Oh, he jumps over the thing like a boss. He's going for the far enemy.
Press triangle, everyone. Big yelling ass press triangle. Hope doesn't press triangle. Scumbag moves.
Wow, I hope this continues for fucking longer. Fuck off! Okay. Please press triangle.
I only have one mouth. Whalers on
Beep
the
boop.
moon, carry a harpoon. But there ain't no whale.
We can only sing that song so many times. Man, it would probably help if we knew what the story was.
Shoot that, everyone shoot that.
Well, I feel like we're just
Oh, dear.
slaughtering something.
Oh, he was healing. He was healing his life.
I feel like he was killing his life.
No, he was healing.
Then why'd he die? I'm stuck. I'm
Hey, press
stuck.
triangle.
I can't. I'm stuck. Dan, help
I'll try
me.
to free you. Oh, I can't.
So,
There you go.
oh, I figured it out.
Free.
Guys, come
Oh, I
on.
need this
Let's
ball.
go. Guys,
Oh, right on
stop
yellow.
fucking around. What? He's supposed to be dead.
No,
guys,
he's not. He
guys,
was not dead.
can we go faster? Guys, guys. I'm scared. Oh, you can jump.
can't
You
go
can jump.
faster.
You can jump.
You can jump if you want to. You can leave your friends behind.
But your friends don't jump, and if they don't jump, then they ain't no friends of mine. Oh, he got stopped by the prison bars that were on this thing.
Wait, he'll find a way around it though.
No, he won't.
Fine.
See,
No,
we're
it's video
done.
Games, that never happens here.
Yeah. He's dead, Dan. I think we've seen the last of him. I'm very
There's
important.
the truth.
Oh, no.
There's Michael the Truth.
It's a different one. Guys, just shoot him with bullets and such. Or do what Gillis is doing. And just stand in the corner. What are you doing?
I have to wait for that.
Dan, can we leave now?
I need this,
Gillis is being supportive. He's ready.
he's not, he's right over there.
I know, but I feel like if I talk about it like he's doing the things I want, he'll do them.
Everyone focus on one. Hold it down, hold it down.
Oh, we got one. Okay, this one over here. Okay, that one. Wow. Oh, guys, I think we killed the thing with kill powers. Well, hey,
Yeah, I'm trying to shoot that.
it's alright, we killed it. Looks like he won't be opening up any... Oh, he might be.
Looks like I won't be seeing you again.
Goodbye! And that's how you get Intergalactic Tool of Justice. It's just that easy. Minus Gillis shitting himself. Hey! Gillis had the most death. I had the most enemies killed because I'm the best. Dan had a noble effort. And nobody cares about my hair.
Most bolts collected. I think that's pretty noble.
I like how
Ah!
I like